And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use two-step recovery tools for Google or Apple accounts. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to access your Google two-step recovery tools for Google or Apple accounts, all you gotta do is simply go to your Google securities or Google itself. Now once you tap on security and sign in, simply scroll down and go to two-step verification. Once you navigate to two-step verification, you can set up your backup options like backup codes, phone, or security key. So to use your backup, find your code in your account settings and print or download it. So to use more methods or other methods, you can also use security key or authenticator apps as well. So this is how you can simply use two-step recovery tools for Google or Apple account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.